and welcome to Around Town with Browns. I'm Nicole, and today we're going to be donating all these wonderful toys for Toys for Tots. Let's go! Today we're in the Grand Wagoneer, and to get there you have built-in navigation. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can just plug in your phone to the port and it will display on the console. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Because you know, it's gonna be a great day to deliver some toys to children. We're turning into the Bayshore Marine Corps to drop off all the toys. Thank you for joining us today as we deliver these toys for the children. And I can't wait to see you guys next time on Around Town with Browns.